This is a video we should have posted first. We got ourselves a GoPro Hero 9 in January 2022 when we finally got the courage and decided to start our YouTube journey. Luckily, someone in Facebook Marketplace posted this brand new GoPro for 200 Canadian dollars as she didn't want to give this back to her ex. It was a bargain we couldn't refuse. Our very first video was a bid for rent ad that was recorded with my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Looking at the final product, we got convinced that we need an actual camera that can give better picture quality and less shakiness. We're starting our YouTube journey as a hobby because we don't know how far we can go. The intention was to start cheap, but finding something brand new really gave us a peace of mind. The camera needed a memory card, so the cheapest and highly rated memory card we found on Amazon were Lexar and SanDisk. At that time, this 256 gigabyte memory card was around $35 Canadian. One of my OCD is keeping the main package intact, therefore I'm using a scissor to cut this open. This is a nice hard shell case and the main package is still intact so I can hold on to that brand new feeling for a bit longer. So let's unzip this and see what's inside. This is what is inside the box. Here's the USB-C cable first, then there's a thumb screw and a buckle mount receiver and a curved buckle mount, which will be great if I use this GoPro as a dash cam in my car. Finally, here's a battery. Apparently this battery is bigger than the previous models and it will fit in the GoPro Hero 10 and the latest Hero 11. And here is the GoPro Hero 9 Black, which actually has a good weight. This actually feels sturdy and strong. There are paperworks that gives thorough information about the GoPro. One of the reasons we chose GoPro over DJI or Insta is because of the mics. After watching various YouTube reviews and comparisons, it seems as though the output of the sound quality that GoPro mics capture is more clear. So for example, if you will be vlogging, there's a mic at the top next to the record button for you and a front mic for anything you're facing. And we're not tech savvy, that's why this video is more superficial. One thing that will be recommended is to download the GoPro Quick app. It is easy to connect and sync, and you could upgrade the camera software and use it as a webcam as well. Disclaimer, this is not a GoPro sponsored video. Anything and everything said and shown in this video you can easily disagree to. We are new to YouTube and we're simply sharing our decisions with you. We'd love it if you give us some feedback in the comment section. Now, many may ask, why not get a gimbal for your cell phone? We thought of that question multiple times, but we have decided for YouTube purposes we'll only use one dedicated device because we don't know how often we will be working on our channel, and leaving videos in our cell phones for later will just take up space. We can say it's a personal preference. So what's your preference? And we're almost done here. Let's quickly show you the rest of the setup. These are everything else I've purchased. After purchasing the Lexar micro SD card for $35, I found these on Amazon for $29. This is a Telesin triple battery charger with 3 batteries inside. Purchased this for $50 Canadian through Amazon. The truth about portable devices is that they need to be charged. I personally don't want to be in a situation where my battery dies and I'm missing out on capturing something interesting. Experience-wise, these 3 batteries really came in handy where each battery gave me an additional 20 to 40 minutes of recording. Next, I have purchased a Telesin mini tripod selfie stick for action camera. This is a replica for the GoPro Shorty. This costed me about $15 back then. It does the job as it gives me about 10 inches of extra reach. As the GoPro mics are located externally, the biggest problem cameras can face is wind blowing into the mics. I found this pack of dead cats or wind screens through Amazon for $12 and they're catering to generic digital cameras. Finally, our biggest purchase is the GoPro Max Lens Mod. This was about $150 Canadian. Was this worth it? 100%. Why did we purchase this? Well, you can put horizontal lock on with the original lens the GoPro comes with, but it will not do a job so perfect as the Max Lens Mod does. The Max Lens Mod completely replaces the need to put GoPro on a gimbal. Want to see this in action? Let me give you a little sample when we went to Bangladesh. I hopped on a rickshaw in Bangladesh riding through a bumpy street. As you can see, stability is the only thing that will stand out. This completely changes the game and makes the video recording much easier. Now let's total how much we have spent for this hobby. The GoPro Hero Black was 200, Lexmark microSD card was 35, the two SanDiscs were $29 each, battery charger was 50, mini tripod was 15, windscreen was 12, max lens mod was 150, which totals to $520 in total. Keep in mind, our first video was 1 year ago. It took us 1 year of research to purchase each item one by one. If you are new to YouTube or even thinking about starting, comment what you think about this video. Was this a good idea to spend $520? How much was your investment if you already have started? Or how much are you planning to invest? If this video gives you a different or even a greater idea, as a new YouTuber, I ask you click the like button and give me some support. So, until next time, have a great one.